Hello planner friends, very exciting video for me. I am going to unbox the Fancy Florals teacher box kit. This came out with the back to school collection and I had to get it, so I am so excited to finally open this. Oh, I thought there are more sticky things on here. I thought there were only two, but apparently there is more. Okay, there we go. So this is it. Let's start with this. These are stickers. And I could probably get those out. So we have some stickers. I don't know if you can tell what they say. Today I choose joy, good things will happen, learn, love, grow, and wonderful. And then we have some of these smaller ones and then some flags. I love these colors and I love the flowers. So next is this bookmark. This is really flimsy though. Like, did they change the material? I mean, it is not very... This is definitely a different material than usually. Oh, and there is like a plastic on it, so let me pull that off. Well, that didn't work very well. I still have some of these pieces on it. Okay, but it is really cute actually. I love this color. It is like a mustard yellow almost, and it says wonderful, and it has these flowers. Probably can't really tell that much, but it's really cute and goes really well with this planner. So let me get this thing out. I'm pretty sure it's just packaging. And then we have these sticky notes. So we have these flags with a flower on it, and then we have flowers. And then we have these boxes, and these say bloom. And it comes on an already pre-punched piece of plastic, so you can put it into your planner. And obviously, the most exciting part, for me at least, is the planner. So I got this box because of this planner. I thought this cover is beautiful. I love the flowers, I love the color. It is pink, it is pretty. The back is not foiled, it has the pink flowers though. And another reason I got it is because of the layout. So this is a teacher planner. I am going to get this piece of plastic off. So this is a teacher planner. It already says it on the front. So I don't know if you're familiar with the teacher layout. This is weird. I might have to cover this part up because I am not a teacher. I am a student. But this is how it looks on the first few pages. It is totally different than most of the planners, heavy planner carries. So I had to get it. So this comes with an academic calendar. That's even great for me as well as a student. The school system in Europe is a bit different than in the US, so we are actually not starting in August. We are starting in October, but it's basically fine. So here is like the school schedule, reliable students, reliable teachers, not really something I can use, but I really love this page. It is so elegant and cute. Additional notes, reference notes for the substitute. Really also not something I could use. And then we have the year at a glance pages. I love these. And then we have August. This planner starts in August and goes till next August. Yes, like July. So yeah, July is the last month. Birthdays and holidays, dates to remember. I like it. This page is cute. It doesn't say anything teacher related that much. It says focus on, and then this birthday page part on the page, and then notes. And then we have beautiful dividers. The first one says teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that last a lifetime. As I mentioned, I'm not a teacher, but I think still that this divider is beautiful. It is gold foil, and it is black and gold and white, and I love it. Then we have the typical monthly page. The sidebar says this month, so it's great because I can use it for whatever. It says on the 13th of August, it is International Left-Handers Day. That's pretty good because I'm a left-hander, actually. So good to know. And then this is how the weekly layout looks. And this is why I got it, because we have the days of the month, of the week, but only from Monday to Friday. So it is like so. And then you can label the columns different things if you want. So I would probably flip the layout and put Monday to Sunday on top, and then label the rows for each day. Probably that's what I would do. So I could put like university stuff, personal stuff, cleaning, YouTube, Instagram, or whatever. And then I could see on each day of the week if I do have something to do in that particular section of my life, if that makes sense. So that is how I would use it. So this one just repeats, and then we have September, and it is a plain black and white stripe. I like it, and I'm not gonna show you every page in here because obviously they all look the same, but I'm going to show you all the dividers. So this one says teach, love, grow, and it is beautiful. I love this color. It is like a mustard yellow. I love it so much. It's beautiful with the gold. Then we have November, and it is just plain pink flowers. It has a black dot on it. I don't know why. I think it's a mistake, but it's fine. So we have the flowers from the front of the planner, and then we have December. This one says love this class. Doesn't really it's not really something I can, well, I mean, I could love a class at uni as well, but I think what they mean is like the people in a class. Not really my thing. January, the purpose of life is to live a life of purpose. This one is great. It is quite easy to like fit to your life as well, even if you're not a teacher. Bloom with grace, also a really pretty one. And then we have March. Don't get so caught up in the daily grind that you never find any time to enjoy teaching. Yeah, I'm not gonna repeat that I am not a teacher, so but I still love this divider. It is beautiful. It's white and gold and really cute. And then we have April, Teach from the Heart. It is a pretty pink with white and like faint flowers on it. And then May is just this mustard yellow with gold dots on it. I don't know if you can see. I think you can. It's cute. We have June, enjoy the journey. And then we have July, and this is so cute. I love these stripes. I love this color palette. It's everything. And it says find your happy. So perfect. And July is my birth month, so I love it. And then it's not over. The planner still has some more. So the last page is just notes, and then we have another section that says checklist. And it says, live simply, love generously, learn constantly. I love it. That's great. And then we have these pages. So you can buy these separately as well. And this one says classroom checklist, and then you can put names and I guess notes. I mean like grades. You can put like grades or whatever you want to track for your students. Because I'm not a teacher, I'm not gonna use it this way. I think this is probably a pretty good like social media tracker to like put like for videos. If you have a YouTube channel, you could put like to film a video, to edit a video, to create a thumbnail, to create an intro, to create whatever. Like list out all the things you have to do for each video. If it's the same process, you could even use it like for cleaning or whatever. If you always do the same things, like I don't know, like for your bedroom or whatever, like make the bed, change the sheets, whatever, like, you know, list out all that stuff, and then you can put like the date or whatever you want. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good thing to have, and pretty easy to use for different stuff as well. And then this is the back cover. It's just stripes, and yeah, that's it. It comes with gold discs. It is plastic discs, but I love this cover, and I'm going to put it on my planner as soon as possible because it's just lovely. So yeah, I can't wait to try this layout, and hopefully it will work for me. We will see. And that's basically everything that's in this box kit. Could even put this on here, and then the stickers and the sticky notes. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram account if you want to follow me over there, where I only post happy planner things. So if you're interested, I'm gonna leave it in the description box. And other than that, I hope you have an awesome day and that we see each other very soon. Until then, bye!